All right, let's use Aspen HYSYS to tackle a classic engineering problem, a gas compressor.
You know how a tire pump gets hot? It's all about gas compression. Let's see why.
So, here's our challenge. What's the outlet temp of a super inefficient natural gas compressor? Okay, here are our starting conditions. And look at that efficiency, just 30%. That's the key.
All right, time to set up our simulation. It's a two-step process, pretty straightforward.
First, we'll tell HYSYS what we're working with: methane, ethane, and propane, and its physics rules. Next up, we define our incoming natural gas, plugging in the starting temperature, pressure, and flow.
And here's the exact mix of our gas. It's mostly methane with some ethane and propane.
Now for the fun part, we'll drop a compressor right into our model.
Then we just have to wire it up. We'll connect the inlet, outlet, and energy streams.
Okay, this is absolutely crucial. We're telling the model it's only 30% efficient. That's a lot of waste. Last step, we just need to punch in our target outlet pressure, 5 bar. Now let's see. And boom, there's our answer. The outlet temperature is a crazy 273 degrees Celsius. That's hot. Wow, that's a huge jump of 248 degrees. So what's going on here? Why so high? It all comes down to this. The less efficient a compressor is, the hotter the gas gets. So you can really see the difference here. Low efficiency means way more wasted energy turns into heat. And that explains everything. Our 30% efficient compressor just generated a massive amount of heat.
So it makes you think, right? If you're an engineer, what's your top priority for keeping things cool?